Hey, what's up, you guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to change TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So, let's start. So, I have TikTok here already opened. If you click on your profile icon and click on Edit Profile, here, if you click on your username, you can only change it once every 30 days. So here it says your username can be changed once every 30 days. So if you want to change your username and you don't want to wait for 30 days, here's what you can do. You can go to your phone's settings, go to date and time settings on your phone, tap on date and time. Here, toggle off the switch that says automatic date and time. Tap on set date. So here you can just change the date and go forward 30 days from now. So let's say, for example, let's make this to, let's say, March 30th. Tap on done. Now go ahead and go back to TikTok. Tap on your profile icon. Edit profile. Now if you click on your username, now you can actually change it. Let me just change this to 12 and tap on save and set username. So I hope that is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.